Well, welcome back to science, you guys. So this lesson is 2.5. It's actually our critical juncture. Can you believe we've already made it halfway through this unit? It's kind of crazy to think about, but we are on lesson 2.5, the critical juncture assessment. So at the beginning of the lessons, before we started the unit, the very first lesson that we did was 1.1. And in that lesson, you guys took a multiple choice test with two written response questions. And it was to see what you already knew coming into this lesson. So we want to see how much you've improved so far. So this would be, you usually have the test at the beginning, the middle, and the end. So this is going to be our middle critical juncture. This is going to help us know how much you have already learned. Hopefully with you getting your mastery checks and doing well on those, you should know most of these things. So you're going to want to make sure you do the multiple choice questions here. Remember, as you go into the multiple choice, you're going to have the audio and you're going to click through these and go on to the next questions. Also, please make sure that you do the written response. They are required for this lesson, so please make sure that you do complete those. And I would suggest, if it were me, I would go ahead and just put number one, and I would type in my answer to the first question here. Okay, then I would write in for the second question, I would write number two, and then if there were more, I'd keep going and write number three, and I would write my answer there. Make sure you make them clear, coherent sentences so that I can understand what you're saying. And remember that you're trying to teach me what you learned in the unit through this question. So if you remember any of the vocab questions or the vocab words we may have used or things that you may remember from the activity, the Sims, whatever it may be, please make sure that you guys add those things in here because that's really going to help me to understand and see what you understand from this unit. So that's the critical juncture, and you guys can hop in here, get this completed. Make sure you are focused and doing your best today, and you guys are rocking it. So keep on doing great.